Okay, so you've read the introduction to the exercise, and now we're going to move on to part one, which we'll do together. So we have four examples here. I'll do two of them and you'll do two. The first one represents a floor that is 135 units by 465 units. Now this could be inches, feet, meters, doesn't really matter. What we're going to do is start by putting down the largest possible square tile that would fit on this floor, and that is a tile that's 135 by 135 units. And we're going to just fill the floor with those tiles as much as we can. So we can fit three. And what's left over when we do that, do a little bit of geometry. We have 60 units left over. So we have a region of 60 by 135, and we're going to continue the process, putting the largest possible square tile in that space. So the largest square tile we can fit there would be a 60 by 60 tile, and we can fit two of those until we run out of room. And what is left over? 15. So now we have a 15 by 60 region, and we're going to fill that in with 15 by 15 squares. Now this region, we can fit exactly 4 of them, and we cover the floor completely. So this area was covered by 15 by 15 squares. If that can be covered by 15 square tiles, then so can this and this. And if this can be covered by 15 by 15 square tiles, then this can, and this can, and this can. Therefore, the entire space can. So the solution for this floor is to use a tile that is 15 by 15 units across. So you can imagine covering this whole region by squares that are this big. That's what we're trying to achieve. Okay, let's go on to one other example. We'll do this one. So we've got 10 by 21. That means I can put two 10 by 10 tiles, and I'm left with 1 unit at the top, and this space is 1 by 10. The largest square tile that I can fit in that space is a 1 by 1. So I can put 10 tiles here. Seven, 8. Not exactly to scale, but if I did do this to scale, it would be a perfect square. So the solution to this one is that we can only use a 1 by 1 tile. That's the largest tile we can use to cover this floor without cutting any of the tiles. So what you're going to do is you're going to try these two other examples. You can compare your answer in the discussion forum, and then I'm going to let you go on to step 2 and just follow the instructions and try not to skip over anything.